Hello everyone, today we will be starting with one of the most versatile data type in Python, that is strings. Whether you're new to Python or looking to sharpen your skills, this video has got you covered. What is string? First of all, we must understand meaning of string. String is nothing guys, it's just a sequence of characters enclosed in single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes in Python. You might be thinking, single, double and triple, all three of them? How? Let me give you one example here. So if let's say I'm declaring a variable here and I'm writing hello, done. This is single quotes. Now double, I can have world. Then multiline is for the multilines. So that is 3 quotes 3 times, and then here you can write the lines. This is multiple line quote, like this. I can go to next line and see that. This is how it is. So these are strings. Now why we are discussing strings, not any other data type? Because guys, strings is the only data type on which there will be lot of operations. You can make uppercase, lowercase, replaces, find it, slice it. So there are lots of functions you have in string data type, and we're going to explore those functions one by one. First of all, we'll understand how to index, how to use indexing in strings. So indexing in strings. So first of all, I'm going to write one variable and assign value as, let's say, Python. Now next is I'll write print text string square brackets, and let's say I want to see index value 2. Let's execute and see the result. T. Which T is it? This T. You must know how index works. It always starts from 0. So P is 0, Y is 1, and then this is 2, 3, 4. So n minus 1. So this is how you can print the value. You can also go for the negative value here. I'll show you how. So let's say I'm writing -1. Now -1 means I'm going after 0, -1 comes, so it comes to the end. So if you execute it, see the result is n. So this is how index value works. It works both with positive as well as negative data. Next concept is slicing of the index. Very popular concept, slicing. There are a lot of interview questions they ask on these topics, guys. So it's very important for you to prepare this. Now let's say it is content and I'm writing learn Python. So learn Python. I'll give space here. Now we'll perform some operations here. Let me close this. I will be writing here print content 0 slice 4. Let's see the result and then I'll discuss this with you. LEAR. Look at this. 0 LE, that is 0 1 2 3 and slice at 4. So let's say I'm writing slice at 5. So it's giving me first 5 characters. So starting from 0 ending to 5, it's showing me the result. So 0 1 2 3 4 and then showing me the result. N minus 1, remember the concept. So this is how it works. Other variation of slicing is, if I want to see every second character or third character of my string, I can write like this. Print content, it's name of my variable guys, content, and then here square brackets, colon 2 times, and then I can write 2. Look at the result. L, this is my first character, you can say 0. Every second character will be displayed. If you want to do with 3, you can write 3 here. Execute it. Look at this. L, leaving 2, R, then leaving 2, we get P, leaving 2, and so on. So this is the concept of slicing. Now we will learn some of the methods of string. So string methods. These methods are, first method is changing case. It could be upper, lower, and even title. Let's see how these works. I'll remove this. And I'm going to declare one variable again here. So let's say new Python programming. Let's say I want to see this in an uppercase now. So I will write print new dot. So guys, all the methods you can access when you write dot. See, there are a lot of methods. You can look into these methods. C is coming from string class. This is by default inbuilt class. So it's coming from there. So you can access them. Anyhow, I'm going to use upper and execute it. See, Python programming is coming in uppercase. Exactly same way you can use lower. And now I'll show you how title works. So I can write here title, execute it, and title will show first character of every word as capital. Now the next concept is searching and replacing the string. In MS Office you might have seen Control F, Control R. So it's the same thing. You're searching and you're replacing. New one. This is a variable I'm declaring here. Again, learning Python. And now I will write print new one dot find. Let's say I want to find TH. So I'll write find TH. Where is it? Look for it. It's in 11th position it is. You can count and TH will be at 11th position. Next is replace. So print, you can say replace new one dot replace. Now there are two parameters in it, old and new. I want to replace Python with, let's say, dance. Take an example. Let's say I want to change Python to dance, comma, dance. Let me just change the case here, guys. It's very case sensitive, so keep it in the same case. See, learning dance. So this is searching and replacing. Next is, we'll understand splitting and joining the strings. So next function is splitting, joining. Let's see how it works. So in this case, we will be giving some text. Let's say text is text 1, any random action. So sleep, walk, talk. I'm making some context here. So enter. So now what I want to do, let's say I want to split something. So I'll write action. This is one variable. Assign text 1 dot. Now I'll use split. Split, and here see the definition. They are saying separated with what? So how you want to split it? I want to split it by saying whatever is separated with comma. So text 1 dot split. Whatever is separated with comma, I want to see that. Now let's print action. So print in bracket, I want to pass action. And let's see what is the result. See, sleep, walk, talk. They are separated, guys. We splitted them. Although it was just one string, look at this. And now it is splitted into 3 parts. Because we said whatever is separated with comma, split it. Split it after comma. So after comma, it is splitted. This is very important, guys. Let's say if we get a list of all the email IDs and all those email IDs are clubbed in one string and you want to separate them and send emails to them, very good method it is. Now next is joining. Now let's see how join works. So I'm declaring one variable, joint, like this is the name of the variable. And here I'm writing, please join it with hyphen dot join. Look at this. And here I'll pass action. So after splitting, please join it with hyphen, not with the comma, with hyphen. So here I'm writing action. Let's print join. So this variable I'm printing here now. Let's see the result. See, sleep hyphen walk hyphen talk. Rather than comma, it is now combined with hyphen. So this is how you can join any of the string. Next is string formatting. So next concept which we'll learn is string formatting. So for that I'll declare one variable. Let's say name Alan. And here let's say I want to print this. I'll write print. Look at this, guys. F. This is format string. F here. It's format string. If you want to use variable in your string, you use format string. So here, my name is, and then in curly brackets, you will write down the name. Let's execute this. See, my name is Alan. This is F string, which is used for formatting. You can use this like this also. Print my name is, and then empty curly braces. And here you can write dot. See, after that also you can write format. Pass the value. Name. Execute it. See, both are giving you the same answer. This is a two ways of doing this. You can use format string like this and write down and pass the value, pass the variable here. You can write like this also. My name is, and then whatever format name, this is function you're using, it will pass the name into this braces and show you the result. Both are okay. This is just the different ways of doing the same thing. Now we will be learning some advanced techniques in string handling. First, we'll learn how to reverse the string. So guys, this is very important. Most of the interviews, they ask you question how to reverse a string. So it's very important for you to go through this. Let's see how we work on it. So here also I'm declaring a variable text2 and I'm giving it as name Python. Learn Python. And here I will be writing reverse assign text2 colon colon -1. This is a concept. Here we'll print this. So print reverse. Let's execute and see the result. Look at this. Learn is changed to this. Python is changed. This is how you can reverse the string. Understand the concept here. Colon colon is to slice it, and then you're saying start from -1. So here -1 is last one. So it starts from here and reversed it. So you remember this concept we learned in slicing. So I'll go to the here. Slicing. This was after every 3 characters, and this is go in a negative direction and give me values after every 1 character. So this is go in a reverse direction. That means start from n, give me the occurrence after every 1 character here. So this is how we can reverse it. Next is checking substrings. How you can check a substring. So let's say in this example, I'm going to use this only text2. Print Python in text2. Substring always gives you value in true or false. If, let's say in the complete string, so I'm talking about text2. So text2 is this, learn Python. If in learn Python, there is an occurrence of Python, it will return me true. Otherwise, it's going to return me false. See, true. Let's say I write something else, W. Execute it, false. There is no W in it. So this is how you can find substring. And these are some of the methods usually we use in the strings. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you understand the entire series and you practice it well. Guys, this is the last video of the series and I wish you good luck. I really advise you to practice as much as possible because the practice is the only key for the confidence. So give your best shot, guys. Thank you so much.